Dogs are known as man's best friend, and for good reason. They bring joy, love, and companionship into our lives, and their unwavering devotion is unmatched. However, just like humans, dogs can fall ill, and some diseases can be more dangerous than others. Diseases in dogs can range from minor to life-threatening, and it is essential to be aware of the most dangerous ones to keep our furry friends healthy. Here are top 10 deadly diseases in dogs that you should know. But before we get started, does your dog need some extra training? Our team of certified trainers is offering free training course to help your dog become the best they can be. With personalized training plans and a focus on positive reinforcement, we can help your dog learn new skills and behaviors. Click the link below to get for a free training course today. Number 10. Blastomycosis. Dogs get blastomycosis from the Blastomyces fungus, which thrives in wet, acidic soils and rotting wood or other decomposing vegetation. Although it can also spread through the skin, this infection typically spreads through a dog's lungs. Dogs with canine blastomycosis frequently exhibit coughing, respiratory difficulties, fever, weight loss, and lethargic behavior. Dogs occasionally get enlarged lymph nodes. The infection may progress to the eye, where it may result in glaucoma, blindness, and light sensitivity. Dogs with this illness frequently develop skin tumors that drain. Number 9. Rabies. Rabies is a common disease in dogs. It is caused by a virus that is transmitted through an infected animal's bite or saliva. It promotes brain inflammation. Rabies is a lethal disease that manifests itself gradually. Fever, pain, hyperactivity, tingling, feeling, and burning at the wound are all symptoms of rabies. Rabies is a concern to people because it can be transmitted from an infected animal to a human who comes into contact with an infected dog's saliva. This disease causes more than 55,000 deaths every year. Number 8. Arthritis. In older dogs, arthritis is a prevalent condition that can lead to joint pain and stiffness. When the cartilage in the joints deteriorates over time, causing bone-on-bone contact, the condition progresses. Inflammation, pain, and reduced movement may result from this, making it challenging for dogs to go about their daily business. There are various kinds of arthritis, such as hip dysplasia, rheumatoid arthritis, and osteoarthritis. Dog arthritis can be brought on by heredity, obesity, trauma, infections, and other factors. Lameness, stiffness, unwillingness to move or climb stairs, and alterations in attitude or behavior are all possible signs of arthritis in dogs. Number 7. Addison's disease. The dog's adrenal glands, which are in charge of controlling hormone levels in the body, are impacted by this uncommon endocrine condition. Lethargy, loss of appetite, vomiting, diarrhea, and even collapse are just a few of the symptoms that Addison's disease can produce. Addison's disease can be fatal if ignored, but many dogs can have long, robust lives with the right diagnosis and care. Although the exact cause of Addison's disease is unknown, it is thought to be an autoimmune condition that affects the adrenal glands. Number 6. Pancreatitis. The pancreas of a dog is impacted by this inflammatory condition. It's an important organ for insulin control and food digestion. Dietary errors, high-fat diets, and specific medical problems are only a few of the causes of pancreatitis. Pancreatitis can range in severity from moderate to life-threatening, and symptoms might include vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and loss of appetite. Pancreatitis is often treated with hospitalization, fluid therapy, and nutritional management. The prognosis for recovery can change depending on how severe the condition is. Number 5. Heartworm disease. The parasite that causes this sly disease, which affects a dog's heart and lungs, is transmitted through the bite of an infected mosquito. Heartworm disease can seriously and permanently harm a dog's heart and respiratory system. Because it frequently goes undetected in the early stages, it can be hard to find. If neglected, heartworm disease can cause heart failure and death. Symptoms of the condition can include coughing, exhaustion, and decreased appetite. Heartworm disease is completely prevented, thankfully, with quick veterinary care and the right precautions. Number 4. Bloat. When a dog's stomach fills with gas and twists on itself, cutting off its blood supply, this terrifying scenario happens. Bloat can happen quickly and unexpectedly, and it is a life-threatening emergency that requires prompt veterinarian attention. Bloat symptoms include restlessness, drooling, and a swollen abdomen, and if left untreated, it can cause lasting organ damage and even death. While the actual origin of bloat is unknown, certain breeds and body types may be sensitive to it. Number 3. Hemangiosarcoma. This nasty disease is a form of cancer that attacks the blood vessels in a dog's body, most commonly in the spleen, liver, or heart. Hemangiosarcoma spreads rapidly to other organs and is difficult to detect in its early stages. Symptoms include fatigue, lack of appetite, and unexpected collapse. Regrettably, therapeutic choices are limited, and the prognosis is frequently poor. Some dogs, however, can still have happy and comfortable lives with early diagnosis and quick veterinarian care. Number 2. Canine distemper. The respiratory, gastrointestinal, and neurological systems of dogs are all affected by this extremely contagious virus. It gets transmitted by the air or through direct contact with infected bodily fluids. Coughing, runny nose, vomiting, and diarrhea are common early symptoms, but as the disease progresses, seizures, paralysis, and other catastrophic problems can occur. Canine distemper has no cure, although early treatment and control of symptoms can considerably enhance a dog's chances of survival. Number 1. Canine parvovirus. This deadly virus is a real threat to dogs of all ages, but puppies are particularly susceptible. Canine parvovirus is highly contagious and can spread easily from dog to dog through contact with infected feces. The symptoms of this virus are vomiting, diarrhea, and severe dehydration, and if left untreated, it can lead to sepsis and death. But the good news is, with proper treatment and care, many dogs can make a full recovery. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.